Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at today. Hope you're doing well. Hey, today's 3rd of February of 2025. I just wanted to let you know I was going to tell you after the 1st of February, which it is, update you. Um, so last Sunday, the 26th, I drove down to Petaluma, California, and spent the week at Motive Aero there at the Petaluma Airport, and got trained for service and maintenance on the 900 series um, Rotax. So if your airplane has a Rotax on it and you fly behind one and you need to get it serviced, or you need some maintenance on it or troubleshooting or any kind of help with it, let me know. We're located here at the Milano State Airport in Milano, just south of Oregon City, and I'm in the big yellow hangar here. So come by and talk to me, and or give me a call, and let's get you scheduled for doing some Rotax maintenance. My phone number is 541-399-2731, and you can email me at mixasllc@yahoo.com. So Mike Indigo X-Ray Alpha Sierra Lima Charlie at yahoo.com. So I have now been certified. I got the little certificate and cards to certify me to do that maintenance that Rotax requires on those engines. And so I can do the simple stuff for you, or I can do the little bit more complicated stuff in like cylinder replacement, purging, doing gearbox removal and replace to get them sent out for rebuild or inspection if you had a prop strike inspection. So I can do all that for you. So if you need it, I'm here. Give me a call. Thanks. God bless, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.